Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today we're thinking about The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald, and I'm providing you with a guide to the key characters. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you understand the novel like an expert. Okay, my guide to the key characters in The Great Gatsby. We start with Nick Carraway, and he's the narrator of the novel and begins as an observer of action and then becomes a participant in it. He's 30 and a bond salesman, having graduated from Yale and left the American Midwest for life in West Egg on Long Island near New York City. He's a second cousin to someone called Daisy Buchanan, who lives in East Egg, where the most prestigious families live. His social life as a newcomer begins when he makes contact with Daisy. Here is Daisy Buchanan. She's Nick's second cousin and has married a polo player named Tom Buchanan, with whom she has a daughter. She's an indifferent mother and is not entirely happy in her life and marriage with Tom, despite her wealth and privilege. She's a wealthy socialite from a moneyed family in Kentucky, and the dilemma she faces in staying with Tom or choosing Gatsby is the novel's central crisis. Tom Buchanan is Daisy Buchanan's husband. He's a polo-playing, entitled man who is having an affair with Myrtle Wilson. He has a cruel and violent side and is a domineering character. Buchanan feels threatened by Gatsby's newfound wealth and status, given that Jay Gatsby is not from a well-respected family with generations of tradition and success behind him, in direct contrast. Here we have someone called Jordan Baker. This is Daisy's friend, and they've known each other since before Daisy married Tom. We find out that Jordan Baker is a successful golf champion, with her pictures gracing the pages of magazines. Baker represents a new type of woman, successful and independent, and is a love interest to Nick Carraway. She may have been involved in cheating in a competition, which perhaps reflects the entitled nature of the socialites in the novel. Here we have Jay Gatsby. This is Nick's friend and next-door neighbour in West Egg, where those who have recently made their fortunes live. Gatsby's wealth is a source of mystery, but his regular parties are certainly the place to be. He lavishes his guests with fine food, music and champagne throughout the night. Now, we soon come to realise that his motivation for establishing his reputation in West Egg has something to do with an interest in Daisy Buchanan. Here we have Myrtle Wilson. Now, she's having an affair with Tom Buchanan and lives a double life, experiencing some of the decadence of socialite life behind her husband George's back in the Manhattan apartment he rents for her. Now, Myrtle has gifts bought for her by Tom, and she acts as if his wealth is hers in the belief he loves her, then returns to her life living in a car garage in a working-class neighbourhood with her husband George. And lastly, now we have George Wilson. He's a mechanic whose life is spent servicing the cars of wealthy people like Tom Buchanan. He's downtrodden and hardworking, but he lives a tragic life. His social position is sneered upon by the likes of Buchanan, but also by his wife Myrtle, who expected more success and wealth in her marriage to him. Wilson's life provides a stark contrast to that of the wealthy class the action of the novel revolves around. Now, if you want to take it further, all you need to do is click the link in the description and you can get free copies of these worksheets so that you can explore who these characters are and provide your own analysis and interpretations of them as you go. Okay, check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and keep revising.